Hi, my name is Tiffany Domino with howtoentrepreneur.org, and today I want to do a review for Userfeel. I want to go over some pros, cons, and alternatives for Userfeel. If you've been looking online for opportunities to make money, it's likely you may have come across Userfeel. User testing is something that is growing in popularity as the internet grows and more websites are online. So as you can see, the number of websites is significantly going up. The number of internet users is significantly going up. And as a result of this, there's more and more competition. There's more people using the internet for e-commerce. And website owners want to know how their websites are operating and what they can do to make their websites more user-friendly so that people can go there and get the solutions that they need. So Userfeel is a company that offers this service, the usability testing, and you can become a tester at Userfeel. So as you can see, you make $10 per test, and they're 10 to 20 tests, 10 to 20 minutes. So let's go over what it is and how it works. So owning a website is very similar to owning offline real estate. The website is more like digital real estate, and you create content and you can add your services, and it can operate like a storefront where you sell your products and services through the website. So um, a lot of people are understanding this, but when you have a grocery store or you have a storefront, you try to utilize the space within the store so that it would help you reach your financial goals. And similarly, you do the same thing with a website, but being that you don't have the eyes of the customer, then it's useful to use services like Userfeel to evaluate and get feedback on how your website is, is it user friendly or not, and different things like that. So Userfeel works two ways. It works for the website owner and for the tester, because as a website owner you can go there and pay for usability testing, and as a tester you can also get paid to do the usability testing. So you can test websites or prototypes. If you have an app or if you have a prototype, you can set that up inside of Userfeel to test that. For testers, you create an account, you download the screen recording app, and you perform a qualification test. The qualification test is typically like 20 minutes. I actually did the qualification test, and then they'll give you feedback and let you know if you can be a tester or not. Testers with the highest rankings usually get the best testing opportunities, and basically what you have to do is you have to speak out loud, you have to continually talk and share your thoughts as you're going through the website. Um, so as a website owner, you make money by using the feedback from the testers to improve your website's experience. If the website is easier for people to use, then it's likely that you can get more sales as a result. As a tester, you make money by responding to the request for testers. So when the tests are available, Userfeel will send messages, and the tests are given out at a first come, first served basis. How much can you make with the tests? As I just talked about, the tests are 10 to 20 minutes, and you can earn $10 each. So you can, like if you were able to get test after test after test, then you can actually earn $60 in 1 hour. However, it's very unpractical to be able to get 6 tests in 1 hour, or even to be able to get 6 tests in 1 week. It's very infrequent that you get, or at least for me, it's been very infrequent to get tests, and I haven't found anyone who gets tests very often from Userfeel. So there's typically a higher demand for tests than there are of there's a higher demand for the testers want to do the tests, but there's not as many tests available for them to perform. So that makes it where it's not really a high income opportunity. It's fairly easy work. They pay well. Well, at $10 per 10 to 20 minutes, it's reasonable pay for what you have to do and the difficulty of it. You get paid for offering a valuable and legitimate service, so it's not unethical in any way to provide the usability testing for website owners. But the cons are that it's not consistent work. You're unlikely to earn a part-time or a full-time income. Your test can be disapproved and you won't be paid. So once you do the test, they get evaluated and your test can be disapproved and then you won't be paid. Another con is that they don't have phone or email support. They only have contact form support. So if you needed more support than that, then you won't really get it from Userfeel. Who is Userfeel for? Userfeel is for someone who needs extra money periodically, not on a consistent basis, and people who want to make money on a flexible schedule. So it could be an additional extra something to do here and there. And it's also good for someone who wants to supplement other revenue sources. Userfeel offers a little bit of training to testers just to let them know the expectations of the website owners and of Userfeel when you do the website testing. So for example, they provide you with the training so you'll know you're expected to continuously talk, you're expected to express your thoughts out loud, but it's not like sufficient for you to get started using the site and it's not extensive, but it's sufficient for you to get started. Excuse me. So it's not extensive, but it is sufficient for you to get started and for you to start doing the test. Common complaints about Userfeel. I haven't seen many complaints. For me personally, I know the major con is that it's inconsistent and sometimes you may not qualify. So they give the tests out to demographics based off of what the website owners are looking for. So if you fit within that demographic, then you get more opportunities. If you don't, then you don't. For Userfeel pricing, we can take a look here. So for a price per user session is $49. Price per user session on mobile or tablet is $99. So as you can see, you can pay for credits, and when you pay for more credits, then you get discounts. For testers, usability testing is free. It's free to sign up. You can create your account. You go here and become a tester, and then you can create your account, and it's free to sign up. So overall, I do recommend them. However, if you're looking for an opportunity to make a full-time income and it's interesting to you to test websites, then you may want to create your own business. And there are options for you to start a business and for you to start to offer this service through your own website. So, for example, you can see that there's quite a few people who look for usability testing every month. And when you go to How to Entrepreneur, you can stop by here and go to free training and websites. When you go there, right down here, you can enter a domain name that you prefer, You can actually set up your website instantly right here. So that will give you a free website, and you can start to promote your business there. If you decide that you don't want this .siterubics.com subdomain, after you've tested out the platform and you've seen how it works and how easy it is to set up a website, then you can upgrade, or you can just start off as a premium member at Wealthy Affiliate, and you'll be able to host up to 50 websites. They offer domain registration there, so you can buy whichever website address you want. It includes website security, so you don't have to worry about the WHOIS privacy protection that you often hear about at other hosting companies. They'll make sure your files are stored online so that when people search for your content online, it will populate on demand. They also will teach you how to get traffic to your website so that you don't just have this website set up and offering the usability testing, but nobody buying it. So they'll teach you how to get traffic to your website so that if you decide you want to do the usability testing or whichever business you want to start, you'll be able to get eyes on the offers that you have and to sell them. They also offer several different traffic generation methods. I'll show you some of the training that you get here. You'll learn how to use search engine optimization, which will help you to rank in Google. It will help you to rank in Bing and Yahoo and any other search engine out there. They'll teach you how to use social media. And then there's also information about paid advertising, so that if you decide you want to do usability testing and you want it to be a consistent stream of income, then you can consistently have leads coming in and offering this service online. So in addition to that, you also will get a keyword research tool that will help you whether you decide to market your business online organically using search engine optimization, or whether you decide you want to run ads to your website using search engine ads or something like that. Then this keyword research tool can help you to decide which keywords to use to create your content around. This tells you about how much demand is out there for what you're offering. So, for example, website usability testing on average, that's searched for 458 times per month. And if you were to rank on the first page, you could estimate that you get about 78 visitors per month for that. So with this, you would be able to kind of project how much traffic you'll be having to your website. It's a very conservative estimate, but it will help you to evaluate that. And then you can also create lists so that you can upload these lists into, or you can add these keywords into Google AdWords or into Bing Ads and drive traffic from that as well. So there's all kinds of training that they teach you. As you can see here, if you wanted to market your usability testing business in social media, you can stop by here and take a look at all the training on Facebook ads. So that's another option for driving traffic to your website usability testing business or any other business opportunity you decide to try. But so hopefully this review has been helpful for you. I wanted to provide you with information about Userfeel. It is not a scam, it is a legitimate business, and they do offer $10 for 10 to 20-minute tests. And the other alternative is to start your own online business and offer usability testing or any other services through your own website, through your own business. And you can also add additional services onto that. and that makes it where you don't have a glass ceiling on your income. So if you could make at most $60 per hour with Userfeel, you can have much higher increments of pay through your own business if you get the right training. So like I said, you can stop by How to Entrepreneur and take a look at the free training and websites. You can also take our free course, How to Start or Grow a Business in 10 Steps, and that can help you to grow whatever business you want. And the free training can really help you regardless of which niche or which service you decide to sell online. So hopefully this was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like it, please subscribe to this channel where I talk about entrepreneurship, internet marketing, and lifestyle topics. As the channel grows, I'll talk about many more things. So I really appreciate your time and watching this video. Have a great day. Bye.